Hi guys, welcome to Tech the Things once more. Now today I'll be carving pumpkin for the very first time. So I want you to tune
Are you
in.
going to put that thing on your head and carve yours?
No, Carrie's assistant, so.
Morgan, this is your pumpkin.
That's why I thought please right here and that's
So I was given a pumpkin by Eva.
This is your pumpkin, your stuff.
I was not planning to carve, but since I've gotten the invitation, I will make full use of it and I'll show my art skills.
Competition has does he really have it on his head?
Yep.
Cool.
I don't like it. That's weird.
This is because you're siding with Auntie. Uh-huh.
I don't think that one will stand, but you could empty it out and see if it's
yeah, it can stand. So I have to do it sideways.
Yeah, you could carve it sideways.
Morgan's
I said,
none.
Morgan, what you could do is you can slice this off at an angle just so you can get in there to clean out the guts.
Oh, not from the top.
You could do that.
Yeah, you could do it from the top, but usually, and
Okay, alright.
These are guts.
Cut it any way you want,
do whatever
whatever
you
you gotta do.
yeah.
Whatever way you
Now what you see being done is they take the top from the pumpkin and they remove what is inside
Don't
of
worry, I'll
it.
finish before you guys. Alright, so
Well, you can take your
where's the pen? Oh, thank you.
So you use knives to carve it, and there's a pen you use to mark it as well if you want to make sure that you get the thing perfect.
Okay, be careful.
That spoon you see there, that orange spoon, is one of the tools you use to get the guts of the pumpkin cleaned.
What'd you do? Oh.
No, I'm not trying.
What I wanted to do was to video everyone doing the pumpkin, but because I was taking part in it, I was unable to do it efficiently. So you will see most of me carving the pumpkin. So I'm using one of those serrated knives.
Where did you get your pumpkins?
Apple tree.
Oh.
So I'll be going
My
fast.
appreciation.
Hey, get out of the garbage, you garbage troll.
And they are talking. The dog, his name is Remy. So the inside is cut. I'm gonna show you in a short while what inside of the pumpkin looks like.
What that is? What?
Can I see?
Like fake storage rack.
Oh,
No, I can.
I don't think my triangle eyes turned out as I want them to be. So you have to.
That's, oh, but it's not that deep.
Mom, can you tuck my hair behind my ear?
Oh, time to take off. Yes.
I just took off my coat because
Now the show
the arms of it was long and I
Okay.
can't afford to push my hand in the guts of the pumpkin. It would nasty it. So that's what I did, and see, I'm taking the guts out, and that's what inside looks like.
No, Remy.
It's a little different from what I'm used to. I'm used to the Caribbean pumpkin, which don't normally grow that big.
A big one.
So everyone is having fun because the dog is taking out the guts of the pumpkin and eating it. That's what it looks like.
Pumpkin guts. Hey, where's my top?
That looks good. Now my plan, well, that's a beautiful
Part of the
carving there
Halloween
from
colour.
Eva.
The
No,
purple.
no.
Remy.
Get the
Don't
serrated
care
mouth.
about it if you go with it.
My plan is to do it sideways and not as or everyone is doing it,
Here somewhere.
Chicken nose.
and you'll see how I do it in a short while.
People coming here
You
first.
had it last time?
I had it, to be honest.
Well, I had it last.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I had it.
Yeah.
So everyone is looking for the pen.
Oh, it's on the floor, right?
Just found it on the floor.
I had it last.
Did you say what you wanted, Eva?
No. It's cottage cheese.
Let's see what Snow is doing.
Noah
This is
is
how it's done.
And
getting
maybe a
his thing
bar.
sorted out with his knife. And Eva is taking some of the guts out of the pumpkin. And Kerry is still drawing what she wants
Are
to
you
do.
supposed to get all the seeds or all the...
Yeah, as much of it out as you can.
Okay.
And you can take a spoon and scrape.
Oh,
Hi, Justin.
I think Noah's got a metal spoon when he
You
gets
want to come check out your bike racks?
who's that?
Are you sure?
Can I see them, Dad?
So somebody's getting your bike racks and somebody's getting. Go. I don't know how you remedy that one.
Usually that doesn't, that's unusual, isn't it?
Uh-huh.
Look at this, Remy.
He's not supposed to have it.
The sculpture material.
You have pumpkin everywhere here.
That's not true.
He has it on his jeans.
No. Remy, don't come. This pumpkin's not fighting.
But then we're gonna
There.
do this so it looks like.
So I am marking the eyes for
Oh, Mom, does this look
the
scary
pumpkin.
with
Make
the
sure the eyes are
Yeah.
aligned.
Let me see. Does it look like the one last year that looked like?
Oh,
Let me
the eye is leaking.
I want to have it as
I'm
like
gonna do
an
that.
You
Asian
did see some with the guts coming out.
pair of eyes.
Yeah.
Now, the mouth that I want is a mouth as if it's cut and sewn. So I want to have it just a little different from everybody
Now
else.
we need Chinese or
That's how I do it.
something. Garbage. Alright.
I'm
Ready?
So this is the knife that I'll be using to ensure that
Ready.
Ready! Ready!
Hey, speed one.
She's okay.
Ready.
He's on his nose.
My arm's purple.
Okay.
I saw one in I put it in, I'll check it out.
Like, he's not gonna kill the deer. The deer's too fast for him. Yeah.
What?
He did good for
I
us.
can't lose.
Fresh bacon.
You eat deer bacon?
Here. Oh, it's fine.
Bet.
Here. Can I take some? Oh my goodness, that is quite a chunk. See the quite a chunky.
You gotta kind of guard it over here.
Didn't know you were no feeder.
I did it.
Obviously starving. Come on.
Ooh. Look at that.
I need this because that's to add like a drip of here. No, I want to. Oh. Stop throwing stuff, Noah. Sabotage. Who's the funny one looking at? Hey, my pumpkin.
Good. No, look
Did you
at
see what I
That
did?
looks good. I like
Did you
this.
see what I did, Noah? You should.
you're gonna get Kerry get jealous.
Eva! Don't stab my pumpkin. No, it's not even funny. I didn't stab your pumpkin.
Rip it out. Hey, Noah! Oh, that's didn't even make a dent.
Yeah, it did.
Wait a minute! Best idea ever. We're gonna turn the pumpkin around and where you destroyed my pumpkin.
No, I was looking at I didn't look at the video, but they were using a Dremel tool like Papa has.
See? It just looks like a hole in the side of his head. And if you're putting it up straight, you're not going to be able to see it.
Yeah, but when you put candles in it?
Oh, we don't put candles in them.
Oh, you don't?
Well, we should though, but we don't.
You guys are too busy trick-or-treating around the neighborhood.
Yeah, but everybody else is doing so.
Are you going trick-or-treating this year, Noah?
Yep.
What are you gonna be?
Giannis.
Honest?
Or Lillard. Actually, no, not Lillard, because I don't have pictures.
You will, but not by then.
Yeah, not like that.
Yours looks like a minion, Noah, kind of.
That's what I thought you were going with at first.
I mean, it looks
No, it's
good. And minions look pretty good, so.
Yeah. Morgan looks like a special child.
No, Morgan's looks like a scare, whatever.
So are we putting them outside then?
Yeah.
Are you ready for a picture, Carrie? Maybe we should line them up and then you guys all stand behind them.
Yeah.
That would be a good picture.
Yeah.
Parade them.
No, can we?
What?
I don't want to, like stifle your artisticness, but
What?
nothing honey.
It's because I'm on the edge. I was in the middle.
Well, Eva's looks different from last year, Jen.
Yeah.
Yeah. Looks good.
Somebody says scary.
Maybe too many Disney movies.
Yeah.
He was doing that at
The touchdown.
gymnastics.
So his picture will be up and said, "Look out for this man."
Oh man, I love this one.
Steve, are you gonna come stand by your pumpkin or what? Here, see.
What did in the picture?
Look, they're uneven. Look, this one goes,
No, you're not the judge. Come
and this one goes to here.
Eva,
They're uneven ears. Look at mine. Very even.
Eva, Eva.
I'm coming.
Ready?
Okay, we'll go. All right.
Is she on a stool? Eva?
No.
You guys good? Ready?
Gotta go in a book.
That's, can I see?
Picture you two stealing.
Okay, who's the judge? Dad or Papa?
Papa.
Papa, which one do you think is better? You can't pick all of them or any.
Wait a minute. We have categories,
Yes.
okay?
You can touch them, examine them. Just don't.
I can see it.
Touch her. Touch them.
Best in original pet category. Most scary.
Scary.
Then we have first attempt newcomer award. Very well done. And then overall grand champion.
Yeah.
For originality and amount of stuff removed.
So which one?
Yeah, all of them.
Yay.